sa Kali Negosyo because part ito ng advocacy natin para makatulong sa ating mga kababayan. Matagal na natin itong ginagawa sa iba't ibang paraan, pero sa tingin ko na through Kali Negosyo, mas marami tayong matutulungan.
Despite the fact na classmate ko si George and I've seen his advocacies in other parts of the country, so I believe that he can be a great help to my barangay, because my barangay is basically an enclosed barangay. We do not have big businesses here. We do not even have a commercial area here. No? Well, 99% is residential, and the others are sari-sari stores and calendaria. So, and that with that fact, I want my barangay, my constituents, to be self-sufficient. They need the proper knowledge in order to promote and develop their own businesses, so they could earn a living decently, you know, and not expect alms from other people.
Marami kasing nagtatanong kung paano magnegosyo. Nung nag-umpisa akong maging isang entrepreneur, a lot of my friends are now calling me, asking me for advice. And I am now an entrepreneur since 1992. So medyo 21 years na ako or 22 years na ako negosyante. So naisip-isip ko, bakit hindi ko siyang gawing parang isang advocacy? Kasi yung mga taong like yung magbabalot, magtataho, wala silang nakakausap tungkol sa kanilang negosyo on how to improve their businesses.